Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set your gender in the Tiplino application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the account button at the bottom of the page on the right, and then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the right, and then at the personal data section click on the gender button, and then just click on the one and then click on the save button and the done button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.